let's get started. For the power-ups, you're going to need to create a new scene. I've saved mine as power-up. I've made an area node, which I've called health up. I've added a collision shape, which is a circle shape. If I switch to 2D, you can see that I've added an animated sprite with a single frame on it. The reason I use animated sprites is because it's easier to do this than to set up the individual sprite frames over here. Then the code for the health up is going to look like this. It's pretty much the same as all the other code we've looked at so far. We're going to the left by a certain amount. The speed is 150. Also need to put this health up into a group. The group is going to be called health up. On the player code, we have our signal down here, which we've worked with before. And this is what the code is going to look like. So if health is less than or equal to 0, and we're going to hit enter, and we're going to go back to here, make a new condition. If area dot is in group health up, health plus equals 3, area dot q3, that'll get rid of the power up, and progress bar dot value equals health. That will update it. If health is greater than progress bar dot max value, health equals progress bar dot max value. That will make sure we don't go above the maximum value of our health. Now, lastly, we need to get the skull head to drop it. This is the code down the bottom here, and it simply says if rand I range, it generates a random integer between 0 and 5. If it's equal to 0, means we have a 1 in 5 chance of a power-up dropping. The power-up dropping code is the same as instantiating anything else. We create a new instance of the power-up, we set its global position to the position of the skeleton head, and then we add it to the scene. Test that. Shoot these. And I've got to lose some health first. Let's get some. Well, I didn't get one, but I did work before and I saw that it was working. Let's just double check it. All right, I've got to lose some health, get it back. It did work. Perfect.